My name is Molly, and you just heard some great education from Dr. Riggs, from Jared, and from Lauren. And now, today, we're gonna jumpstart our businesses. I really feel like corporate has really shown up for us and provided us such amazing information and these foundational wellness kit is amazing. So now it's our turn to show up for our own businesses. So when you look at the foundational wellness kit, I love it. We have VMG, we have the PB Restore, and we have the E Omega. They came up with power packed with this amazing kit for us. So what we need to do is start enrolling people here in January. So let me just go over what's gonna happen. In January, as we enroll new people, they're gonna get this amazing shaker bottle, which I love. It's all glass, it's high quality, plus a free bottle of peppermint. Then in February, all of us that have been on these products for the past 6 months, we are gonna be getting this amazing shaker bottle and peppermint. doTERRA didn't forget about us. But also in February, as we get this plus the peppermint, we are also gonna get the free product of the month. That's a little FYI. So then over the next 12 months, we are gonna be getting the top 10 or 12, I guess, 12 oils, and we're all gonna be able to dial in together as a company and do a lot of education training on the top 12 oils. I think that is amazing. So instead of just getting some random oils anymore, we're gonna be dialed in to the best oils to really focus on what are the things that are selling in doTERRA and what our customers need. So VMG, Omega, PB Restore, I can't think of a better kit that we're gonna wanna start off this new year with. So I'm really excited. This year, we really have the opportunity to really dial in on the foundations of health. So guys, this is our opportunity right now to really jumpstart our businesses for 2025.